to scare you, make you laugh? Ah, boo! Get rid of that drool. Get rid of that drool. Where'd it go? Get rid of that drool. Benny, ready? Get up! Oh, all by yourself. Hooray! It's those green socks. Boo! I get you. Come on, where's your giggle? Boo! I get you. I get you. What? Do I have to torture you? Oh, lovely. Mommy should not put on clean clothes to play after you eat. Okay. Oh, honey. Not a good time to be videoing you, huh? 1, 2, 3, boo! Are you gonna giggle, please? What did Pop Pop do to make you giggle? Boo! You still got stuff coming out.
Watch his knees, baby.
Oh,
His knees are foldy.
that's what you do all the time when I yell you. Boo! 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 Oh, Ben. Not a good time with the drool and throw up, huh? Are you pausing it?
No?
Oh, I was gonna say if you pause it, then I'll make something.
Don't want to disturb your father with little short movies.
A boo! A boo! Oh, Bennett. Where's your giggles? How do we make you giggle? Tickle, tickle. Look at this tummy. Bennett. I told Daddy that you were gonna giggle, and now you're not. That makes Daddy right and Mommy wrong. That's not a good thing. Boo! 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 A boo! A boo! I get you. I get you. I get you. You gonna punch me back? What? I do get you. What if we do the itsy bitsy spider gets you? What if the itsy bitsy spider gets you? You can't eat my arms. Ready? You want to stand up? 1, 2, 3. Oh, we can't go up that way. Okay. Come on. 1, 2, 3, up. Stand up. Hi. 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 Come on. Where's your giggles? Where's your giggles? Bennett. Boo. 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 Flying baby with drool. Oh, goodness. Blech. Blech. Here's your giggles. Hi. Hi. Nice drool, kid. So attractive. It's like a foot long. Jeez, where is that coming from? Save that stuff for Gilbert. Hey, Bennett. Bennett, could you please laugh? Ready? Boo. 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 Come on, you know you want to. Can you find it in yourself? Boo. 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 Giggle, giggle, giggle. Is that right there? You found your toes? Did you find your toes? A boo. to get you to laugh. I'm trying really hard to capture it on video. Please, you're making me look like a fool. Can't get my own kid to laugh. Boo. Boo. Boo, 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 boo. Bennett, this is what we did last night. Ready? And you giggle every time you're not on video. Ready? I can get you. You want to? Come on. That's a little bit. What, you want to tickle me back, Elmo? Come on. You're almost laughing. I just can't do it enough, but I don't want to hurt you. Both sides, both sides, both sides. Drive me crazy. Drive me crazy. No, you don't look like you're having fun. Bennett, please, one giggle and we'll leave you alone. Bennett. Tickle, tickle. Tickle, tickle. Tickle, 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 tickle. Benny. Bennett. My sweet boy. Would you please play along?
Okay, are we done?
As soon as you turn it off, it's going to giggle. Did you turn it off already?
Not yet.
Okay, let's try one more time and then we're going to turn it off. Ready? You're not having fun. Bennett, please. Super baby flies in the air in Phoenix, Arizona. And he comes down for landing and boom! 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 Ah! Boom! Oh, is it drool getting in the way with your giggles? You just like your toes too much? Okay, give your toe a hug. Give your toe a hug. Okay, don't.